Hello friends, my name is Temak Pratiksha. Today's video topic is SQL and today's date is 11 September 2021. So let's see the SQL for firstly in Java we can't store the data permanently. So the SQL is so using SQL we can overcome this problem. So the SQL the full form of SQL is structured query language, and it is pronounced as SQL or the SQL. SQL and SQL is not the database. It is not the database system, but the query language. Using SQL, we can perform many operations on the record, such as creating a table and creating table, then inserting the data in that, and also deleting the data. Also deleting the records, inserting records. So we suppose we have to perform the queries in our machine, so we have to install the database management system such as the MongoDB, MySQL, and the MySQL and the SQL Server. In SQL there are some commands such as the create command, then update command, delete command, select command, and drop command, and the insert command. The SQL commands are helps to create and manipulating the data and managing the database. So let's see one by one. Create command. The command helps in creating the new database. And update commands. This command helps in updating the records or changing the stored data in the database. Then the next one is the delete command. This command helps in removing or erasing the saved records from the database tables. Then select command. This command helps to accessing the single or the multiple rows from one or multiple tables of the database. So we can use the command for using the help of the where clause and drop command. Then this command helps in designing the entire table. This command helps in deleting the whole entire table and table view and the other objects from the databases. Then insert last one is the insert command. This command helps us to inserting the data and records in the database table. So we can insert the records in the single as well as the multiple rows of the table. And so let's see the difference between the SQL and NoSQL. SQL is the relational database management system, and NoSQL is not the relational database management system. It is the non-relational or the distributed database management system. The query language used in the database system is the structured query language, and in NoSQL it is the non-declarative query language. The scheme of the SQL database is predefined, fixed, and the static, and the scheme of the NoSQL is the dynamic. And in SQL these databases are vertically are vertically scalable and vertically scalable, and in NoSQL the database are horizontally scalable. So let's see the advantages of the SQL. It is easy as compared to other programming languages, such as it is very easy as compared to the Java. No programming needed. It is does not require any it does not require a large number of coding lines. We can easily access and maintain the database. Then it's high speed query processing, and it is the standardized language. And Next one is the portability. The structured query language can be easily used in the desktop computers, laptops, and tablets, and smartphones. And it is a very interactive language. We can easily fire the queries. And next one is it have the more than one data view. um, and it have also the some disadvantages. So let's see the disadvantages of SQL. First one is the cost. The operation cost of some SQL versions is very high. And next one is the interface is complex. Another big disadvantages of the is that the interface of the structured query language is difficult, which makes it difficult to SQL users to manage, to use it and manage it. And third one is the partial database control. So thank you.